Member of the Health Committee and also
Minister wogima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe thutha wa gukunekone ituria ungumania urio subireire ministry yake akinyete mbere ya kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri bunge-ini ya kibururi kuria augite gutiri undu ministry yake butanetie na ungumania o wothe wigie wici urio rekwiro watabaneirio besa cia COVID-19.
Nothing has been stolen. And indeed, if it had been stolen, I am sure by now, given the public outcry that is there, somebody would have been arrested.
Agitetera rubongero wa KEMSA, Kagwe ogete indo cia kugitira arigitani sire o thito-ini cia KEMSA kuria iceini ikube ugutwaro county-ini itiganite na thogora wa thi.
I have just been so caught up with the management of COVID-19 that I have not personally ever been to KEMSA. Forget about working with a general or brigadier.
Abunge ya makienda macokio makana Kagwe ni abutanite no beani wa tenda o ciothe iria icungireirie kura kwa mamilioni ma mbeca. Minister uyu ogete wira wa ministry kwathana uria indo ikunyagio no inde ni wigiririki wa KEMSA kumenya uria indo cia kwigitira ndwari ya COVID-19 ciagireiro kugayanio.
If for whatever reason it is found that there is impropriety at KEMSA, Honorable CS, isn't it time that you sent the entire board packing?
Did you get to know or some kind of approval that KEMSA was going to purchase 7.2 billion worth of goods?
It is KEMSA that originates the document. Essentially, we send letters to KEMSA that say we are looking for the following items in accordance with the needs that have been surveyed and identified and analyzed by our doctors and all the people who go around the country.
Ona gukiri uguo minister uyu ni areganite na ndumiriri ati ni abinyereirie rubongero wa KEMSA kube kambuni cia andu kiumbe tenda iria angiendithireirie we mwene akiuga ndeto ino yothe iri moko-ini ma rubongero uthuthuria niguo kumenya kuria uma wa uboro yuri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV Jetago Masi Wadia wa Murithi
provided here, and first chair maybe perhaps to refer